Welcome to AngularJS tutorials, directives, built-in directives, ng-show. What is ng-show directive? Sometimes we might need to hide HTML elements and sometimes we need to display hidden elements. For that purpose, we can use this ng-show. The ng-show directive shows or hides the given HTML element based on the expression provided to the ng-show attribute. So when we use this ng-show, we need to provide end output as true or false, or you can provide this true or false in an expression format also. If the expression is true, ng-show will show the element. If the expression is false, ng-show will hide the element. Okay, let's look at the example. This is our span element. This is displaying data from message variable. See, this message is having hello data. Here we can see this hello data. So I want to hide this. Here I will use ng show equal to, I will use direct values false. Okay, refresh your browser. See, it got hidden. Then I will make this true. Refresh. It shows that HTML element. So we can use ng show like this. If you want to provide some expression, you can do that. Let's add one variable dot show message equal to false. I will use this as expression. Finally, this will return true or false boolean data. Let's refresh. It's hidden. I'll make this true. It's hidden. Okay. If you want to display this message, if message is equal to hello, okay, message equal to hello. If the message is hello, then only you want to display that. Okay, refresh your browser. It shows that. If the message is hi, then only display this. In this case, message is not hi, it's hello, so it will hidden this. It will hide this. Yeah, it's hidden. So this is third scenario. Fourth one is we can use ng-show directive as a attribute and as a element also. So we just saw that how to use ng-show directive as a attribute, HTML attribute. Let's see how to use this as a element. We can use this ng-show directive as element also. ng-show, okay, this is a ng-show element. In this element I'll use this, and whatever the HTML content I want to hide, I'll put that content inside this ng-show element. So you can use ng-show as a HTML element also like this. Now I'll refresh this. It's not displaying. I'll make this hello. Now refresh. It's displaying that span element. The advantage of this is we can put whatever, if you want to display hide some number of 2 or 3 elements, you can put inside this ng-show tag. Okay, this is how we can use ng-show as a element. So we can use this ng-show directive as element, as attribute, both. Okay, yeah. We saw how to display or how to show or hide an HTML element using ng-show directive by direct input and expression and some boolean data from scope object, and we used ng-show as a element also. These are all the possible cases for ng-show directive. Yeah. Thank you for watching.